If you want to take really good product shots or overhead tabletop shots, you're going to need a boom extender for your tripod, and this is why. Here's a traditional tripod, and here's a ball head on the tripod. The problem is that if you tilt your camera forward, like this, you're going to get the legs of the tripod in your shot. And so what you need is something that's going to extend the camera out so that it can shoot downwards. I was looking for a really good tripod boom arm. I didn't want to spend too much money, and I found this one by a company called QZSD. I've never heard of them. I picked up this tripod boom that they make called the YT03, and I am surprisingly happy with it. I've worked on photo sets before as an assistant where we've used really expensive tripod boom arms, and they all seem to work about the same, so I figured, okay, let's try a less expensive one and see how it is. And you got to check this out. The extension arm comes in a case. I've already opened it up so the plastic packaging materials aren't in the case. So to start with, this is metal, and a lot of the inexpensive boom arms are not metal, but you can hear this is a metal arm on the bottom, and in order to set this up, you first loosen this, and you can pivot this arm down, and it really feels very solid. You can also use the tensioning arm here and here to make it impossible to move. Imagine you had like a big cinema camera. What you want to do is have the other end go out really far and have some counterweight on it. So I'm going to loosen this side up, and I'm going to pull out this extension arm. That's as far as this one goes. And then I'm going to loosen this side up, and I'm going to pull this arm out. Now, another nice thing that they give you is this little screw that goes in the thread here, and this is to attach the counterweight. So once this is threaded on here, they give you a carabiner. You can hook the carabiner on. I'll show you in a second how that works. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it onto the tripod. So now we have this on the tripod. We have a 3/8 inch hook over here, which is the same threads that are used for tripod ball heads. So here's that tripod head I had on before, and I'm going to tighten this mechanism, and this is not going anywhere. And I'm going to loosen up the ball head here. I'm going to grab my camera. I have my quick release plate on my camera, so I'm simply going to snap it in, and now I have an overhead shot. Because this is such a light camera, I don't need anything to balance it over here, but let me show you what I would do if I did. You can pick up a sandbag with a handle that they use in studios, but those are kind of expensive. So what I have here is one of those recyclable bags that you get at a grocery store. I have a 5-pound weight in here, but sometimes I'll put like bags of rice in here. And you simply clip it in, and now we have a 5-pound counterweight for whatever is on here. So if I put something really heavy over here, it's going to be counterweighted by that bag. If I need to turn it, I just unscrew this and I pivot the head around. This also comes with a phone mount so that you can use this system with your iPhone or Android device right out of the package. I think it's great, and I really didn't spend a lot of money. So this YT03 boom arm is as good or better than ones I've spent 3 or 4 times as much money on. If you like these real world reviews, please like and subscribe below. If you use a boom arm, let me know in the comments below what you're using and what you like or do not like about it. If you have any other questions about doing tabletop photography, let me know that as well. For Dave Tries This, I'm David Schloss, and as always, thanks so much for giving this a